car does sound nice, I must admit. Unfortunately. Oh, we got the feds. Who's robbed who then? Wait, what the fuck? Shit, they both just got a call. They both just got a call? Holy crap, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, I bet this guy in front probably shat himself. Like, I did at first because you know, he'd just gone, and then immediately I sort of had the thought that he was gonna get this guy. But oh my god, I sort of went into a bit of panic. The guy in front probably absolutely shat himself because he's probably got some like weed in the car or something. So he's probably just got, oh fuck, this is not my day. And then nope, the one behind actually just yeah, they both just got a call. Yeah, that was pretty awesome to experience. That was.